Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of Emporithms Numerical Challenge. Let's see the solution of the last problem. So the solution for this problem is the correct value is 200 by choosing only job 4. So let's see how. So this is a problem of weighted interval scheduling problem. So first we draw the timeline chart for all the jobs that are given to us. So this is the timeline chart. We have drawn all the jobs. Now for each of the job, we first have to calculate the P of J value. So P of J value is the largest index I and J such that I and J are disjoint. So let's calculate P of J for all the jobs that are given to us. First is P of 1. So what will be P of 1? P of 1 is there is no job that is finishing before job 1 and it's overlapping with job 1. So there is no job, so P of 1 is 0. P of 2, P of 2 now, this is P of 1. P of 2 is there is one job that is finishing before job 2 starts and it's not overlapping with job 2. So P of 2 is 1. Now P of 3. So for P of 3 there are two jobs that are finishing before job 3 starts and they are not overlapping with job 3. So P of 3 is 2. Then P of 4. So there is no job that is finishing before job 4 starts and it's not overlapping with job 4. So there is no such job. So P of 4 is 0. Now for the dynamic programming solution, we have to calculate maximum value of the job that is selected, opt of P of J. So whatever be the maximum value from this, we select that as part of our solution. So let's calculate all these values. We begin with first job 4. So V of 4 plus opt of P of 4 is 0 and opt of 3. Then for opt of 3, this is our opt 4. Then for opt of 3, we calculate maximum out of these. Then opt of 2 is V of 2 plus opt of 1. Opt of 1. Then we have opt of 0. The value of job 1 is 50. This is 0. This is 0. So the value of opt 1 is 50. Then comes opt 2. Opt 2 is 20 plus 50. 20 plus 50 and 50. The value maximum that is 70. So that is our opt 2. Then opt of 3. Opt of 3 is 100 plus 70. And 70. So the value that is maximum is 170 that we select. Then opt of 4. Opt of 4 is 200 and opt 170. So the maximum value is 200. So this is our correct solution using the dynamic programming method. See you in the next video with the next algorithms numerical challenge.